Story Nest.
Okay, I will generate a series of high-definition 16:9, 1080p, 3D, 60 FPS animation-style images of Percy the penguin and Lila the seal joyfully sliding down. Sparkling ice slides in a brightly colored Arctic landscape filled with whimsical ice formations. The images will have a 1920x 1080 resolution and feature consistent characters throughout the story. A silly penguin named Percy waddled excitedly at the top of a giant swirly ice slide that shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow. His playful friend Lila the seal, with her sleek silvery fur, zoomed past him, giggling as she went head first down the slippery slope. Percy chuckled and then plopped onto his belly, flapping his little wings as he slid down, the wind whistling past his feathery cheeks. They landed with a soft thump at the bottom, where a field of glowing ice flowers swayed gently in the cool Arctic breeze. "That was so much fun, Percy," Lila barked happily, her whiskers twitching with excitement as she looked up at the towering ice slides, ready for another go.